we call animals that only eat plants.
Caterpillar. Hello guys, so medyo na meditate kung mama na mga kayo bilang mga kayo sa sila. So wala ang consequences na yung pag-ibig cancer. Bata pa cancer ko, actually hindi ko tagagsili pero itry na ako kasi yung cancer.
What gas do humans need to breathe in to survive?
Oxygen.
Yes. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Skin.
This one. What is H2O commonly known as?
Water.
What force pulls objects toward the Earth?
Gravity.
Bakit tama? What planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
What part of the plant makes food?
Photosynthesis.
Oh, salamat mali. Leaves, dahon. Sige, kaon na. Patay kasin. Sili. Ay lang dong wala. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system?
Sun.
Which planet?
Mercury.
No.
Venus.
Yes, pero mali ka.
Wala.
Kaon! Kaon! Naong sa gihalangan, be.
Number.
What do we call the change of water from liquid to gas? It happens when water is heated. What do we call the change of hard?
Evaporation.
Change of what do bees collect from flowers to make honey? One.
Nectar.
What?
Nectar.
Nectar, correct. What planet is closest to the sun? Closest to the sun.
Earth.
Mercury. Pagkaon na, pagkaon. What part of the human body pumps blood?
Vessels.
Mag-pumps? Mag-pumps dong.
Ay, wait lang. Heart.
Wala na. Kaon ka.
Ay.
Heart lagi. Paminaw lagi. Pag... What do we call animals that only eat plants?
Caterpillar.
Hoy, herbivores.
Ka? Sipid mo naman.
Kaslom. Honey. What natural satellite orbits the Earth?
Solar system.
The moon. What is the process by which plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen?
Ha?
One.
Ay, wait. Dapat hindi mo.
Two.
Photosynthesis.
Sige. Consider na lang. Kay loy na kayo mo si Mod. Last question, number 15. What is the center of an atom? Called? Very good!
That's for today's video, guys. Gabihin na karon. Actually, buka ko dito. Kita. And then, pakmara to, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. For more updates, comment mo kung unsa pa ang sunod na video, unsa pa ang inyong pwede ma-comment sa sunod na video na matay mo on. And don't forget to like and share our video and click the notification button para updated ka. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye!